Rolling.
Rolling.
Showtime. Ladies and gentlemen, I brought you all here today to celebrate the birthdays of my dear friends. But also in our company we have two authors that I'd love to share their work with you. Okay, so I have always enjoyed the company of older women, and I very much enjoy reading biographies of older, wiser women. Today here at the old place, I'd like to give you a quick synopsis of a few of my favorite authors. Let me begin with Donna Betts. At 69, cresting into her 70s, she brings us the Whirlwind Tour, a book of her life. She takes you on a spine-tingling journey into her early life as a femme fatale, covert operative seducing Russian astronauts for their Russian dressing recipes, clandestine affairs with French politicians for their old family secrets to a full-bodied wine. Ooh la la. No stranger to the land of the rising sun, she once had a dalliance with a miniature but muscular Mr. Japan.
I can't believe you remember that.
Always welcomed with open arms at Graceland, she introduced Elvis to the deep-fried peanut butter banana bacon sandwich. A world traveler, gourmet cook, bon vivant, wonderful loving mother, shipping magnate, and all-around inspiration, you will go to sleep reading The Whirlwind Tour, and you will wake up with a good friend. Diane Julian, another gourmet cook and bon vivant, reaches out to the reader in her latest book, Let a Smile Be Your Umbrella, the true story of a not unhappy people pleaser. Blah, blah, blah.
I named that book myself.
She is not shy with words. Well, it is also an artery-clogging food fiesta with Julia Childs-esque inspired recipes. She coined the saying, "Oh, give me more butter, baby." The novel begins of a cherubesque Norwegian-American girl on a cold Chicago morning in a threadbare hand-me-down cloak, singing in the rain under her howdy-doody umbrella. A world traveler, loving mother and wife, gatherer of friends of all shades, and friends on the right and the wrong side of the tracks, and the right and the wrong side of the law. Umbrella Smiles is now available on your iPad. But we also have a special guest mystery author. Originally from New Jersey. Oh, get you! I'm gonna go get you! One of the first black women to proudly serve our country as an Army nurse. Officer. Later serving the special needs of American offenders of the law in a Long Beach jailhouse. As an undercover transvestite nurse terrorist. The story takes you on a frequent flyer, mind-bending trip from the East Coast to the West Coast, to the East Coast to the West Coast, again and again. She makes your head spin. The founder of the Mile High Club, with her svelte, statuesque figure, pendulous breasts, she weaves in lessons of the basics of pole dancing for seniors. When you've got it, flaunt it, as I always say. Her new book, How Unlucky Can One Bitch Be? Is available in bookstores and on digital format. Get your copy now before this book is banned. These authors are available to speak to you at your local book club, but be sure the wine is flowing, or it will surely loosen their tongues. I forgot the books.
Oh my God.
First we have The Whirlwind Tour by Donna Betts.
Oh, nice.
Donna Betts. The book cake. It's a cake too.
Cake, right?
Really?
I love
Take it
that.
out? Can you take it out?
No, let's leave it. We'll eat this at the wider.
Okay.
And then we have Let Your Smile Be Your Umbrella by Diane Julian.
Thank you.
And then we have How Unlucky Can One Be by Crawley.
That says it all.